Round boys. I already finished example 4.1, 4.2 and 4.3. Now we go for example 4.4. So given a boy of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of the lamppost. So I can take the lamppost, right? A boy, right? A boy is walking away from the base of the lamppost. So a boy walking from the lamppost, right? And the boy coming here. Okay, the boy height is 90 centimeter. So first a boy standing the lamppost and he is walking away from the lamp of the base of the lamppost at speed is 1.2 meter per second. Right? So how many meter height by 90 centimeter height by, right, moving from the base of the lamppost, right, at the speed of they given 1.2 meter per second. If the lamppost is 3.6 meter, so lamppost height is 3.6 meter above the ground, right? Find the length of his shadow cast after 4 seconds. Okay, so first a boy standing here, first the boy standing here. Now he is moving away from the lamppost at the speed of 1.2 meter per second, right? Now the boy coming here. So first the boy standing at the point A. Now he moves and come the point B here. Clear? So a boy A to B, right sir? He take the seconds. How many seconds? 4 seconds. Okay. First the boy standing the point A. Now the boy standing at point B. Right. The boy moving point A to B. He take the time 4 seconds. 4 seconds he take. Right. Now you want to find the length of his shadow cast after 4 seconds. Okay, after 4 seconds the boy standing here, right, the boy's shadow it will come in this ground, right. Now you want to find what is the shadow of the boy after 4 seconds. After 4 seconds means the shadow after 4 seconds the boy shadow will form BC, right. This only you want to find. Okay, so this is given. Now I can join the diagram like this. Okay, so given first the point A, the boy standing here and he moves to point B. He take the time 4 seconds. Now you want to find after 4 seconds. After 4 seconds he standing here. After 4 seconds means okay, next BC only. Okay, after 4 seconds what is the shadow of boy? After 4 seconds what is the shadow of boy you want to find? Okay, so this is the given diagram. Okay, so lamp post is perpendicular to the ground and the boy also perpendicular to the ground. Okay, so this is the given diagram question. Now what are given you can take and write. So given the AE lamppost height, A is equal to 3.6 meter, and then BD height of by 90 centimeter. Okay, lamppost is meter, but BD by height is centimeter they given, so that centimeter I can change to meter. So I can divide it by 100. So change to meter 0.9 meter, and speed of the boy they given 1.2 meter per second. Okay, and he take the time 4 seconds. So here you want to find after 4 seconds what is the shadow of the boy you want to find. So that is we can take x, right. So BC here not given, so we can take BC is equal to x. Okay, so here AB, right sir, AB is the distance covered by boy in how many seconds? 4 seconds. Okay, so starting the point A, the boy is standing there and he come to point B, he take the time 4 second, right? At the speed of boy is 1.2 meter per second. Okay, so AB is the distance covered by the boy in 4 seconds. So that distance I can find AB here, right? So distance AB is equal to speed into time. So here speed is 1.2. Speed is 1.2 and the time is equal to 4. So we can get 4.8 meter. So this is distance covered by the boy, that is AB. Right? AB is equal to, we can get 4.8. Okay, then next we want to find AC. Right? AC we can write AC. We can write AB plus AC, we can write AB plus BC, right? Here AB is equal to 4.8, right? AB is equal to 4.8 and BC is equal to X. So we can get AC is equal to 4.8 plus X. Okay, so AC is equal to 4.8 plus X and then AB is equal to 4.8. Everyone we can find nada. Okay, now you want to prove the triangles are similar, then next you want to find the value of X. Okay, so now I want to prove the triangles are similar. Okay, so here I can take the two triangles. I can take the two triangles. First one ACE. Okay, triangle ACE, first one, and second triangle BDC, second triangle BDC. Again take the two triangles, right? Here angle A is 90 degree and angle B also 90 degree. Okay, so in triangle ACE and triangle BDC, right? Angle A equal to angle B 90 degree. So both angles are equal because to also 90 degree. And next they given angle C and here also angle C, right? In two triangles the angle C is common. So angle C is common. Angle C is common. So here two angles are equal, right? A equal to B and C is equal to C, right? So two angles are equal, therefore by angle AA means angle. So two angles are equal, so two angles are equal, so by AA similarity we get the two triangles are similar. So triangle ACE is similar to triangle BDC. Clear? So angle A and angle B to also equal because 90 degree, and then these two triangles you have the common angle C, right? So C is common angle. So two angles are equal. So by using AA angle equal, so angle similarity we can get the two triangles are similar. Now the triangles are similar means we can use the corresponding sides of the ratios, right? So we can use the condition by corresponding sides of ratios. Okay, so take and substitute corresponding sides AE, corresponding sides here AE and here corresponding side is BD is equal to corresponding side AC. By in this triangle the corresponding side is equal to BC. Okay, now take and substitute here. AE is equal to 3.6, right? So take and substitute AE is equal to 3.6 by BD. BD is equal to 90 centimeter. I can change to centimeter, I can change to meter. So we can get 0.9 equal to AC. AC we can find 4.8 plus X. 4.8 plus X by BC is equal to X. Okay, so these are given. Now you want to find the value of X, right? So here denominator you have the point. So for division you want to cancel the point. So here point after one number, so I can multiply by 10. Both numerator and denominator I can multiply by 10 because I want to cancel this point. Okay, so multiply by 10 means the point will can cancel. We can get 36 by 9 is equal to 4.8 plus X by X. Okay, next we can take cross multiple. We can get 36 X is equal to 9 into 4.8 plus X, and then take a multiple inside. We can get 36 X is equal to take 9 multiply inside, right? We can get 72 balance is 7, 36 plus 7 42 plus 9x, and then plus 9x comes this side minus 9x. 36 minus 9x is equal to 43.2. So we can subtract, we can get 27x is equal to 43.2. Then x is equal to 43.2 by 27. So we can divide it by 43.2 divided by 27, we can get 1.6 meter. That is the boy moving, right? What is the shadow of the boy? Shadow of the boy after 4 seconds. That is BC is equal to X is equal to 1.6 meter. Okay, wow. So shadow of boy after 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, we can get 1.6 meter. Okay, this is example 4.4, and the next I will go for example 5.5. Sorry, 4.5, right? So they given angle A is equal to angle CED, that is angle E. So given angle A is equal to angle E, they given, right? Then you want to prove that CAB is similar to CED, right? So you want to prove that triangles CAB is similar to triangle CED, you want to prove, and also find the value of X. Okay, so I can take the two triangles. What are the triangles? CAB, right? So first one CAB, and then second triangle CED. Okay, CED, two triangles I can take the. Okay, now I want to prove that these two triangles are I want to prove similar. Okay, wow. These two triangles are I want to prove similar. Okay, here angle A equal to angle E, they given, right? So only I can take angle A is equal to angle E. So triangle CAB and triangle CED, right? In these two triangles given angle A equal to angle E. Angle A is equal to angle E is given, right? And then here angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree, and D is perpendicular to this one, right? So D also here 90 degree. So I can take here D is equal to 90 degree. So this is given angle A is equal to angle E, and the next one angle B is equal to angle D equal to 90 degree. So two angles are equal. Therefore, by AA similarity, angles are equal. So by AA similarity, we get the two triangles. Triangle CAB is similar to triangle CED, right? This is the result for first one. Next, you want to find the value of X. you want to find the value of x ra. So I can take the two triangles. What are the two triangles? CAB and DEC. Okay, wow. So given CD is equal to 8 ra. So CD equal to 8 and then CE equal to 10. Okay, and then AB is equal to 9 and then BC, right? So 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2 we can get BC is equal to 12. Clear? And then given AD is equal to 7, AC, right? AC 7 plus 8, so we can get 15. And then D is equal to X. So these are given ra. Now I can take the sides of ratios, right? Two triangles are similar ra. Next I can take the sides of ratios here, right? Take and write the sides of ratio ra. So we can get the sides of ratios AB by DE. So sides of ratios AB by DE and then is equal to, so sides of ratios we can get AB by DE, right? And then hypotenuse is here AC da, and then here CE. So AC by CE. Okay, I take these two values da. Okay, here AB is equal to 9 and DE is equal to X. AC is equal to 15 and CE is equal to 10. So now we can cancel 5 table ra here. 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10. Then next you want to find X. So take cross multiple ra. So 9 divide 2 come this side, multiple, and multiple 3 come this side, divide, then we can get X. And then 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So X is equal to 6. So this is example 6.5. So next example 4.6 ra. So given this diagram, right? So in this diagram you want to find AQ. So first I can take the two triangles. So first one AOQ. So triangle AOQ and second triangle BOP. Two triangles. First you want to prove that two triangles are similar. So I can take the two triangles. Okay, given angle A is equal to angle B is 90 degree. Okay, from this diagram they given angle A is equal to angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay, and then next angle O, right? Both also two triangles are having the angle O, right? But here O is opposite angles, right? So angle O is common. Because vertically opposite angles. So opposite angles are equal, right? So here two angles are equal. So first one A is equal to B because 2 also 90 degree and angle O is opposite angles. So opposite angles also here equal. So two angles are equal by AA similarity. We get, right, triangle AOQ is similar to triangle BOP, right? So we can get triangle AOQ is similar to triangle POP, right? So now the triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides of ratios are equal, right? So I can use the condition for corresponding sides of these two triangles, okay? So take and write the corresponding sides, okay? So take the corresponding sides here, AO, and then here we can take BO. So AO by BO. So corresponding side AO and BO. And the next AQ here PB. Right? So here we can take AQ and then here we can take PB. Okay, this is the corresponding sides of ratios. So AO by BO is equal to AQ by PB. So here AO is equal to 10 and BO is equal to 6. AQ you want to find, so keep it AQ and then PB is equal to 6. Okay, so here PB is equal to 9 centimeter. So I can take here 9. So take cross multiple. So like that we can get means 90 by 6 is equal to AQ. Then divided by 6 we can get AC is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, you want to find AQ. That's all. So next example 4.7. So given the perimeter of two similar triangles. So question itself they given, okay, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Question itself they given, right? And the next they given perimeter of two triangles. So perimeter of triangle ABC and perimeter of triangle PQR, right? Two perimeter of triangles they given. So first one perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to, okay, first one 36 and then perimeter of triangle PQR, that is second one is 24 centimeter and the next given PQ is equal to 10 and then you want to find AB, right? This AB you want to find. Okay, so given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, right? This is question itself they given, and the next perimeter of ABC is equal to 36 and the perimeter of triangle PQR is equal to 24. These are given. You want to find this AB length you want to find. Okay, so here in the sums I can use the result. I already told, right? In your book they given some result and the result I can use this result. Okay, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of perimeter is equal to the ratio of corresponding sides. Right? That is ratio of perimeter of two triangles, right? So I can take perimeter of triangle ABC, by perimeter of triangle PQR. Okay, that is the ratio of perimeter of two triangles. So the two triangles here ABC and PQR. Okay, the ratio of perimeter of two triangles is equal to the ratio of corresponding sides, right? So what are the corresponding sides are here given? PQ they given. You want to find AB. Okay, so I can take given PQ and then you want to find AB. So I can take the corresponding sides PQ and AB. Okay, for ABC I can take the corresponding sides AB. That only you want to find, right? So AB only want to find, so only I can take AB and then PQ they given, right? So the corresponding sides I can take PQ. Okay, what is the result? The ratio of perimeter of two triangles is equal to the ratio of corresponding sides. So here AB you want to find. So I take AB, PQ they given. So the both two sides I can take corresponding sides. Okay, so PQ they given and AB you want to find. So I can take the corresponding sides PQ and AB. Again substitute here. Okay. And then triangle of ABC is equal to 36. Triangle of ABC is equal to 36 by triangle of PQ are they given 24. AB is not given, so we can take AB. PQ they given, PQ is equal to 10. Okay, divided by 12 table draw. So 2 12s are 24 and 3 12s are 36. Then next we can take cross multiple. We can get AB is equal to 3 10s are 30 by 2. So we can divide it by 2. We can get 15 centimeter. So AB is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, Avada? That's all the sum. And then next day I will go for example 4.8. So given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, same one here. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF they given. Right? And the next they given BC is equal to 3 centimeter and EF is equal to 4 centimeter they given. And then area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 54 centimeter they given. Now you want to find area of triangle DEF. You want to find. Okay, Vada? So given area of triangle ABC given and area of triangle DEF they given. Okay, BC and EF they given. Okay, so here they given two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. So I can use the result of if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of area of two triangles, right? That is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF, right? That will know the two triangles, right? So ratio of area of two triangles is equal to a ratio of squares of corresponding sides, right? Here given squares of corresponding sides, right? Here corresponding sides are BC and here the corresponding side is EF, right? So here you want to take squares of corresponding sides. So BC square, right? The corresponding side is BC. So here you want to take square. So BC square by here EF square. Okay, what is the result? The ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the squares of corresponding sides. Okay, now you want to find area of triangle DEF. Okay, so I can substitute here. Area of triangle ABC they given 54.